Ready? Yes.
Okay. Hi everybody, I am Shailla and this is my copy of the washing machine which finally arrived. Well, I was traveling so I couldn't order until I knew I was going to be home to receive the package. So I finally received and I was waiting for a special moment to open and I found it. So I'm here at Urban Express, my favorite convenience store on St. Kilda Road in Melbourne, where I live. I love this place. I love it here, and it couldn't be better. So I came here and I asked them if I could film and open the washing machine here. Okay, so let's do this. This is very special. This is my baby that I've been working on it for 2 years, as everybody has been following the story. Okay, so I am opening the package. It's very well packed. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I seen it, like I had a friend who ordered. I see my friend's one, but this is my very own copy of my baby. I gave birth to my baby. Washing machine. Oh my god, I'm so gonna cry.
Congratulations.
Thank you. This is. I am so proud of this baby. And I'm here not just for the decoration, but because I love to connect with people. I haven't been this place in a long time because I was traveling, but I used to come here all the time and I always like to say hello to people, say good morning, how are you, we speak Spanish, and the book is about that. The book, it is a supernatural thriller story. It has very, very scary moments like ghosts and demons, and sadly a lot of people die, but the bad people die. Well, sometimes good people die, I don't want to spoil. But the book, the story, besides the horror, is also about love. It's about connecting